What we're going to do next is we're going to learn how to make our enemy move around in a random pattern. We don't want to do a fixed pattern because then it's too easy to avoid them. If we did a fixed pattern like I'm showing you here, it'd be too easy on the player. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a random pattern. So what we first have when the script's activated is going to take the asteroid to the corner and it's going to make the asteroid appear. Now, we want it to move around in a random area forever until the game's over, so we're going to grab a forever loop, okay? Now we want to glide around. So we're going to go to motion and we're going to grab the glide command. But where do we have it glide? We don't want it to glide to the same place each time. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a random number generator where it's going to pick random points to glide to. We got to make sure it picks random numbers that are within the coordinates of our screen. So let's go to operate. We say pick random number. Let's go to X. Let's drop our pick random number into the X. So let's see, we look, X can go from negative 240 to positive 240. So we'll say for X, pick a random number between negative 240 and positive 240. Now let's pick a random number from Y. Okay, so we look down here, Y can go from a maximum of 180 to a minimum of negative 180. So we'll have Y pick a random number between negative 180 and positive 180. So what's going to happen is it's going to pick a random number each time, and then it's going to send it to the coordinates that are at those two random numbers. Let's run it and see what happens. Then we're going to have to activate this manually. And we see it's going from different random coordinates. Now if we wanted to speed this up, we could make it take less than 1 second to get to its coordinates. If we wanted to slow it down, we could make it take more than 1 second. So we can change this number to make the asteroid go faster or slower. We see it keeps picking random coordinates to go to. We're going to make a command like this on our other two asteroids also, so they will also move around at random coordinates.